The iPhone 17 Pro is here, and it's sparking conversations across the tech world. With Apple teasing an evolution in design, upgraded cameras, and the A19 Pro chip at its core, it seems like the 17 Pro could set a new standard for flagship smartphones. But is it the revolutionary leap Apple enthusiasts are hoping for, or another iterative upgrade? Let's break down what makes this phone tick, and whether it's worth your consideration. A bold new design. Titanium meets aluminum. Apple is reportedly blending aluminum with titanium for the iPhone 17 Pro, creating a device that balances lightweight construction with unmatched durability. Titanium, known for its strength-to-weight ratio, will make the iPhone more resistant to drops and scratches while adding a luxurious feel. This design philosophy doesn't just scream premium, it whispers it. The refined materials give the 17 Pro a sleek, modern aesthetic that's distinct yet unmistakably Apple. While the design changes may appear subtle on the surface, this fusion of materials elevates the build quality to new heights, setting it apart from previous models. For those who appreciate a phone that feels as good as it looks, the titanium-aluminum combo is sure to impress. But as with any innovation, it begs the question, is it enough to justify an upgrade? Camera overhaul, a photographer's dream. Apple's iPhone cameras have always been industry leaders, but the 17 Pro aims to up the ante. Let's start with the most obvious change, a redesigned rectangular camera module. This updated module houses a 48MP telephoto lens, a significant leap in zoom capability and detail capture. On the front, a 24MP selfie camera promises crisper images and clearer video calls. Low-light performance, always a focus for Apple, gets another boost with this upgrade, ensuring your shots look stunning regardless of lighting conditions. Additionally, advanced software enhancements are expected to complement the hardware, providing photographers and casual users with a seamless shooting experience. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the iPhone 17 Pro's camera system has the versatility to handle it all. Under the hood, the A19 Pro chip. Performance has always been a hallmark of the iPhone, and the A19 Pro chip is set to solidify Apple's dominance in this arena. Engineered for speed, efficiency, and multitasking, this processor promises an even smoother user experience. The A19 Pro chip is rumored to deliver enhanced gaming. Expect console-quality graphics and real-time responsiveness for mobile gaming. Faster processing. Apps launch quicker, and multitasking becomes effortless. Battery optimization. Despite packing more power, the A19 is designed with energy efficiency in mind, potentially extending battery life. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM, the iPhone 17 Pro will handle demanding tasks, whether it's video editing on the go, gaming, or switching between resource-intensive apps, without breaking a sweat. Display enhancements. Beyond Dynamic Island. The iPhone 17 Pro's display is expected to receive several upgrades, including refinements to the Dynamic Island feature. Apple is reportedly narrowing the Dynamic Island to offer more usable screen real estate. This change will allow for better media viewing. Enjoy videos, photos, and games with an uninterrupted display. Improved touch response. Apple might be introducing a new touch system for more accurate and responsive interactions. In addition, expect the display to maintain its top-tier specs, including high brightness levels, vibrant color reproduction, and smooth refresh rates, ensuring a premium visual experience. Potential downsides. Are there trade-offs? No product is perfect, and the iPhone 17 Pro may have its drawbacks. Let's address a few areas where Apple's latest might leave users wanting more. Battery life concerns. While the A19 Pro chip is designed for efficiency, the combination of enhanced cameras, larger displays, and more powerful hardware could put a strain on the battery. It's unclear whether the battery capacity has been increased to compensate for these demands. Incremental updates. While the design and camera upgrades are impressive, they may not feel groundbreaking enough for users who expect a radical transformation. Incremental improvements, though valuable, could leave some fans underwhelmed. Price point. Let's face it, premium features come at a premium cost. The titanium and aluminum blend, advanced camera system, and A19 Pro chip could make the 17 Pro one of Apple's most expensive phones yet. Will these upgrades justify the price hike? What sets the iPhone 17 Pro apart? Despite potential trade-offs, the iPhone 17 Pro offers a lot to get excited about. Durability: titanium aluminum construction for better resilience. Camera excellence: 48MP telephoto lens and improved low-light performance. Performance: A19 Pro chip and 12GB RAM for unmatched speed and multitasking. Refined display, more screen space, and enhanced visual interactions. These features combine to create a device that feels modern, capable, and luxurious, everything Apple fans have come to expect. Verdict: is it worth the upgrade? If you're someone who values top-tier performance, cutting-edge camera technology, and a premium design, the iPhone 17 Pro might just be the perfect device for you. However, if you're coming from a recent model like the iPhone 15 or 16, the upgrades may feel more incremental than revolutionary. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your priorities. Are you looking for a device that pushes boundaries in every aspect, or are you content with a slightly older model that still holds its own? Apple has positioned the iPhone 17 Pro as a premium offering, and for many, it will be worth the investment. Whether it's for photography, productivity, or gaming, this device is equipped to handle it all, and then some. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 17 Pro? Share your take in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more updates from Technology Review.